It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious, baby. What do we say? It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious, baby. 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water, and your rice should come out looking perfect all the time. Guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to make rice and beans. Here are the ingredients you're going to need: red kidney beans, soya sauce, olive oil, bay leaf, rice, tomato sauce, sugar, my everyday seasoning, butter, celery, thyme, and green onion. If you don't have the celery, thyme, and green onion, you can leave it out. It's optional. Now here I'm showing you to wash the cans. Please wash your cans before you open it. Now I have 2 cups of water come to a boil. Then I add my celery, bay leaf, thyme, and green onion. Now I'm adding 1 can of beans. You can use whatever beans you like. I'm making red beans and rice. Now here I'm adding tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of everyday seasoning, one tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm just gonna let this come to a boil. You can let it boil until the water is reduced to 1.5 cups. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my rice. Now here I'm washing my rice. Guys, I like to wash my rice with hot water at first because the hot water take out most of the starch. I don't wash my rice in cold water. So here I'm just gonna wash this rice and until the water is clear. Remember guys, no cold water. I use hot water at first and then I use the warm water. Keep washing your rice until the water is clear. That way you're sure to get out most of the starch. The hot water also helps with the starch. Helps reduce the starch. So here I'm just gonna keep on washing until I see the water is clear. Now that the water is clear, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my pot. See, the water is perfectly clear right there. That's how you know your rice is clean. Now it's just gonna reduce. You're gonna let the water reduce to like a cup and a half. Then you add your rice. And I'm just gonna let this boil for like 10 more minutes until the water is reduced. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice. Okay guys, here I add the rice. Now I'm just gonna let it cook for like 25 minutes. It's gonna steam. Here's my end product, guys. My rice is complete. It's beautiful. The color is great. It tastes good. And look at the rice, how perfect it is. You can know perfect rice when you pick up your rice and it's just falling off the fork. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.